These are huge. These are gonna be so loud. Dun da da da. Welcome back to another video, guys. As you can see in front of me, we have the Wake speaker kit for the Bayliner Element. It's only 20 degrees outside. It is still snowing, but we wanted to get this kit in, get it installed before winter's over so it is ready first thing in the spring. Some benefits to this kit. One is that it's budget friendly. This is a kit that comes in just under $300. We have speakers from Rockville. We have an amp from Rockville, and then their 8-gauge wiring kit. The best part about the amp is that it is Bluetooth, so we do not have to run a head unit. We are going to run 0 wires from the back of the boat to the front. Everything will be powered directly to the amp, and then of course the amp will power the speakers. We have their 8-gauge wiring kit, and we're going to get into each of these and kind of show you a rundown of what is included. Let's start off with the amp itself. This is a Rockville 1500 watt amp, Bluetooth capable. Feels like a pretty good quality amp. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy by any means. Inside of the box, you do have mounting hardware and a fuse, inline fuse. Let's get this out of the bag. And nice logo. We'll mount it back by the battery. We are probably going to do 2 batteries in this boat, especially running speakers now if the boat's not on. But we're going to mount this back by the battery on the wall or something. It is waterproof, marine grade, so we should have no issues whatsoever. Next thing we have is the 8-gauge wiring kit. I'm not sure of the quality. We're going to find out, of course. The connectors look very well. The power cable is braided. This is supposed to wire everything from the amp to the battery to the speakers. I shouldn't have to add any wire. We're going to find out, of course, if I do. May not hurt to have some power and some red and black wire just in case. But I'll give you a little close-up of this. Now let's get into the speakers. My most excited part of this whole entire package. There are some videos from Rockville themselves, and they have thrown these, beaten these, really put them through the test, and they do not break. So I don't think we're gonna have issues there. People have put these different kinds of speakers on ATVs, UTVs. I seen a guy take one of these, submerge it in mud and water, came back out, it worked great. So I really don't think we're gonna have any issues, but we are staying on the cheaper side to make sure that if something happens, we're not out a ton of money. These will fit up to a 2-inch bar, I believe, on your wake rack. Holy moly. These are huge. These are gonna be so loud. Dun da da da. They're not heavy, but we have a Rockville logo. We have a safety strap, and they say everything is waterproof and rust proof. They have a nice coating on the inside for the bar. So I'm pretty excited. We're gonna have 2 of these big speakers in between the wake rack. In the middle, I think it's gonna look awesome. We will be doing tests where we have a camera on the dock. We're gonna go across the lake, see how far we can actually hear with these. If you want to see me do something with them, let me know. We're gonna get this installed within the next month or so. I'll make a video on how I install it, have some neat little tips and tricks for drilling into the boat and running the wires through the wake rack. And stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. You don't want to miss it, especially if you have a Bayliner Element, because this is something you have to have done professionally or do it yourself. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. If you have this system, these speakers, Rockville in general, let me know how it went, and stay tuned. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, here is a sneak peek. These are just temporarily mounted, just hanging to see what they look like.